Now, let us conduct an experiment to find out how day and night occur on the Earth. Let us assume that this is the Sun and this is the Earth. Let us also assume that the Earth is orbiting the Sun with one side always facing it, similar to how the Moon orbits the Earth. However, unlike in the case of the Moon, the side facing the Sun will be perpetually lit up, whereas the other side will be in eternal darkness, which means that the Earth is not rotating. This is one more proof that when bodies orbit in this manner, they are not rotating. As soon as the Earth starts rotating, it will begin to experience day and night, as can be observed here. Now, let us conduct this last experiment to find out how day and night occurs on the Moon. Let us replace this paper moon with this plastic ball, which now represents a three-dimensional moon and is marked as A, B, C, and D at intervals of 90 degrees. Since this is also glued to an aluminium bush, let us place this over the motor shaft so that side A is pointing in this direction. Please note that the moon motor is switched off. Let us switch on a light which emulates the Sun. As the Moon gradually orbits the Earth, side B will slowly become visible. Then side C, then side D, and at the end of the orbit again side A. Let us repeat this a few times. We can notice that the Moon is not rotating. We can see that both arrows are always facing one another. We have now observed how day and night occurs on the Moon, even though the Moon itself does not rotate by even a single degree. From these experiments, it is clear that day and night occur in two different manners. Day and night on all the planets in the solar system occur because all the planets are rotating on their center of axis and the Sun is in the center of all their orbital paths. When day and nights occur in this manner, the number of rotations per orbit will vary from planet to planet. For example, Venus completes one full rotation in 243 Earth days, Earth in 24 hours, and Jupiter in just under 10 Earth hours. In this figure, we can observe the Moon's orbital path around the Earth. We can also observe that the Sun is outside the orbital path, because of which the entire surface of the Moon will be exposed to sunlight in the course of it completing one full orbit around the Earth, which results in day and night on the Moon. When day and nights occur in this manner, the duration of one full day and night will always be equal to the orbital period of that body, as is the case with our Moon.